Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a tour of my grandkids' bedroom in the rental property that my daughter's renting from me presently. And so we came up with this great idea to use the vertical space since they have to share a room, and I just want to share that with you guys because I know a lot of people in the budgeting community have smaller kids, and so I just thought this would be a great video to share. So this is my granddaughter Maya showing you her sign, no boys allowed. This is her side of the room, and she has that great big old dollhouse, and that is what prompted my daughter to think of the loft bed to get so that she can have space to still play with her dolls. She picked these loft beds up from Walmart.com. I'll have them linked down below. So yeah. And so this is Tristan's side of the room. Amaya is 10 and Tristan is 6. So they have a few years that they'll be able to enjoy these loft beds. Of course, Miss V helped out with a lot of the decorating. I painted the letters and hung them so they have their own space. You see, he has no girls allowed. And each one of them have their little refrigerator. I'll show you in the video. That's his little Minecraft refrigerator. He likes Minecraft and Mario. And my granddaughter, she likes anything girly. So yeah, so I just thought this would be a great video to share, to give you some ideas. Let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful. So yeah, so this is just part of budgeting and utilizing the space you have. We're being grateful over here on my channel, and so I'm spreading it throughout my family. So just utilize the space you have opposed to complaining. Just go ahead and utilize it and show God how much you appreciate it. So that is Amaya's refrigerator right there that I'm showing you. So yeah, so let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful, and let me know your thoughts.
햇살이 너무 좋았어. 그냥 모두 좋았어. 널 만나서 모든 게 다 잠에서 깨어나서 휴대폰을 먼저 보게 돼. 참 많이 변했다 내가. 세상에서 제일 행복한 순간